Hello YouTube, today at powerjackrepair.org we got a laptop, Lenovo Ideapad Y510p model 20217. Thanks to your donations we were able to finally buy a new 4K camera. It's right here. I added some of my own money, but the problem is my computer is too old to run the new webcam, so I guess I need to upgrade the computer now. So for that I need to keep working, I guess. All right, so we got this Lenovo Ideapad. You unscrew this screw, that screw, this screw, this screw, that one, right there, right there, right here, right here, right here, right here, right there. I'm just not gonna bother you with how to unscrew the screws. Now I'm not sure what this for. And then we got this thing right here, which I already kind of tried out. So maybe it's for this thing right here. Let's see. Again, not sure what this whole thing means. I don't want to break anything. So, I don't know. Quite honestly, not sure. Let's reduce the lights here. And that's gonna be much better setup, I think. Oh, okay. Let's see, like that. Okay. Somebody was screwing around with the laptop before. Come on. Yeah, I see some glue and other stuff in there. All right. So here. Okay. So let's remove the hard drive right here. All right, 2 screws for the hard drive. Pull out the hard drive. It doesn't want to pull, so I guess I need to give it a little bit of kick. Right there. And so, okay, so that's another one should be right there. And another one right there. Come on. All right, so here we want to unscrew, remove those 2 connectors. That's the wireless card connectors, and this connector right here. Okay, what next? Is that a CD-ROM or is that... It's not a CD-ROM. That's... I'm not sure what that is, but I guess I would just keep it like that. All right, what does this thing do? I'm as clueless as you are. So here, let's see. I think, wow, it's an GeForce Intel. Okay, so let's see. Maybe we wanna remove this guy right here. This thing right there. So yeah, guys, thanks so much for donations. I just didn't expect that the camera not even gonna run. It's a huge disappointment. I was hoping I would, in 2020, I would be in 4K, but I guess that's not happening anytime soon. All right. Do we have any hidden screws anywhere? Let's say maybe something right here. Nope, maybe this guy right here needs to come out. Nope. I guess I need to be pressing on this thing downwards, right? Like that, and like this, press this thing down. Maybe remove whatever this thing is right here. No? No, no idea. Well, let's try and remove the keyboard right here. I was thinking it's one piece, but it turns out to be not one piece. And it doesn't want to come out. Okay. Here, like that. Okay. Like that. Okay, so two wires right here. In 4K you would be able to see something better. Alright, let's pause that. Alrighty, let's continue working on this thing. I'm not sure if this cable came out by itself or I took it out right here. Like that, like that. I was thinking it's a relatively old laptop, it turns out to be relatively new. Alright, so one more screw right there. Set that aside. And I'm pretty sure that the client has a damaged power supply because I see that this jack has been replaced before. I can see that. And alright, I can't seem to what do I do now? Yeah. This isn't working out for me right now. Alright, so the laptop was worked on before. Seems like the job was done good. Really good. Okay. It was a good job, but the thing is the pin is broken inside the plug, and it's broken because somebody was using a wrong power supply or incorrect power supply or a universal power supply. So this thing would have worked forever. Problem is I don't see how I can disconnect this this wire, whatever that wire is right there. Let's see if I could just unscrew that guy, unscrew this guy. And the reason we get a lot of donations is simply because we can show you how you can do it even without shipping anything to us. This is one of those laptops where we don't really have to have it here in order for you to fix it, as it turns out here. I will show you a top secret on how to get this thing done. Okay, so like that, and let's see if we can, if I could basically put some glasses on and make sure that, yeah, I mean the jack itself is holding in just fine. It's the pin inside of the jack broke, and it's broke because the client probably used an incorrect power supply. I just want to try it out. It's really well installed in there. Oh, you know what? It's probably even screwed in place. Someplace in there. Could it be? Could be, yeah. It could have been screwed in. Let's see if we can remove that. Yep. It's been screwed in place. Come on. Let's unscrew this thing. If we can. Yeah. Alright, I don't think we're gonna be screwing anything today anywhere. Even though it held pretty well. Now we're just gonna set this thing aside like that. Now, I mean, this laptop requires the new connector because you see no pin, probably because, yeah, everything is broken off. Now let's see if we can maybe unmount it without taking everything apart. All right, so let's switch to the top view. All right, what we got here? Here we don't want to touch anything. I just want to make sure that we can unplug. Can we unplug it? Or we can't unplug it? I don't see it from another side. Or maybe I see it from another side. Hold on. Oh yeah, I see it from another side. Hold on. Here we can, it's under the cover there. So what I'm gonna do, the whole casing is being bent. That's like, okay. If only I could unplug this thing. That would simplify my life tremendously. All right, good job. Here, go through like that. Alrighty. So we got the thing out. We set this aside. What we're gonna do is, hopefully the cables are long enough. We see that the red wire is long enough, and the black wire is gonna be long enough as well. All right, so we cut this guy off. We're gonna cut that guy off. All right. And what we're gonna do next is, all right, so the goal here is to strip the two wires. Once they're stripped, okay, this one looks good to me. All right, so once they're stripped, we're gonna find the compatible jack. Only if I'm gonna find that jack. But here it doesn't really make any difference what kind of jack you put in there, because everything is broken off. Alrighty, so I found a similar type of jack that's supposed to be going in here. Only thing is it has this little thing on the bottom which I need to cut off. Let's see if you can just cut it off. Especially put it on the table so it wouldn't be flying off, but it did fly off. Anyways, let's see if we can just park it like that. Nope, we still need to cut the sides off as well. Let's see. Okay. And like that. Good job. Good job. Okay, let's see. Still doesn't want to go in. I wonder what's its problem. Oh no, everything's fine. Here. Let's see, like that. I need to shave a little bit on those sides right here. Right here. And right there. Like that. And like that. I wonder if this is a little bit tight like that. Wow, there is so much movement in between. That's not the best. You see how all of that stuff is raising up and down. Nothing anybody can do about that. Probably not, but I'll try to do something. I wonder if I can do something here. Or I shouldn't even touch it. Nope. Probably shouldn't even touch it. Okay, what can I do? Alright, so let me solder this guy. Connect the wires, solder it up. Alright, so what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna add some flux to the equation. The link to the flux is available below. So I'm gonna flux it up here, flux it up right there. And alright, looks good. The only thing doesn't look good is the bottom. The bottom side isn't to my liking. It's not soldered the way I want it to be soldered, so I'm just gonna add some solder to the wires on the bottom. Like that. Alright. The problem is the wiring itself doesn't wanna melt properly. The wires are some sort of garbage like. Well, okay, looks good. All right. Alrighty, so here is where I'm gonna try to move this guy underneath everything and drop it down into this hole right there. All right. And we're gonna try to connect it from the other side. The problem is the hinges are so bad that I'm afraid to break anything here even further. All right, so we put the wiring through right there, and we're gonna connect the wire right okay, like that. Good job. Okay. All right, so the wire goes through here and it goes right there, right here, and there is sufficient enough space for the wiring. I don't think that this is even supposed to be here. Cut this whole thing down. All right, it's not done yet, so we still have to stabilize everything in place. And the way how we're gonna stabilize it is by using a magic trick. I wonder which side is that side, this side? Yeah, right there is the side. Okay. Yeah, this whole thing doesn't exactly look the way I like to look at. All right. Yeah. Okay, this is the way how I want it to sit. Let's put a plug in. And let's add some secret sauce. All right, so hopefully, nope, still doesn't work. Strange. Let's put it on high. Yeah, go figure how to make this thing oh, come on. Okay, so the only way I was able to cover this thing all up is by moving everything to the side like that. And come on, don't do this to me. Okay, so like that. And now what I'm gonna do is I wanna just flat this slide right here, flat the back, like that, like that. All right. All right, and now what I'm gonna do is I will align it, make sure everything is nicely aligned, and flat everything so that it wouldn't be flexing as much in the future. That side and that side, both sides. Let's see if we can quickly adjust this stuff and that stuff right here. No, we can't. Or can we? Right, like that. The other side doesn't want to give in. Oh, yeah. Nope, didn't work out. I think it did. Come on. Let's kick in right here. Come on. All right, so not sure if this is gonna work, but the plastic is so cheap, it cracks right everywhere. I mean, it's insane. All right. Probably #1 garbage laptop out there. Nope, I didn't. Oh, shoot, no. No. This is not gonna work. No. This is just ridiculously stupid. Nope. All right, let's take this whole thing apart. Nope. All right, let's see if I can just close it down without gluing the hinges. Let's take a look. Nope, I can't. I can't do it here. Everything is broken to pieces. All right, let's try one more time. That. like that. Let's do the other side like that, and let's put this thing down and clamp it. Come on, go in there, go in there. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Go, go, go. Go, go, go inside right there, like that. Like that. Come on. Let's close it down. Hopefully. Let's close it down. Close it down. Close it down. Like that. Flip it over. Like that. And let's hope after we're pressing down on this thing, it's all gonna get glued together. All right, so hopefully this time around, this whole thing got really clamped down. Let's see. Okay, so the reason I put this tape here is so that this video card wouldn't be jumping in and out all the time. So like that, we remove the... Alright, so here is the fan. Let's see if we can maybe we can put some screws in there, just so that it would hold everything. Okay. Alright, screws are in. Let's take this thing apart right here. There is some damaged plastic here, which we probably want to just remove from there. And it keeps cracking. Who would make such cheap plastic? Alright, so now that we got everything aligning, alright, I will probably put one other screw right there someplace. Right here. Okay. So here, I already put the wireless. Okay, so it seems like it's holding down. Maybe I should let it dry a little bit more. Alrighty. Here we got one cable right here, which we're gonna just put right in there like that. Alright, close this thing down. Then we're gonna plug in this guy right here. Close this thing down. Then plug this guy. Plug that guy. Push this guy right in there. And close this thing down. Open up this hinge. Open up that hinge. I know that on 4K camera, everything would be much better visible, but my computer is just slow to record everything 4K. Alright, we'll put this screw right there. And see if we can maybe connect this thing like that right here. Okay, like that. And like that. Flip this guy over. And let's see if we can maybe connect it like that. And let's close it down. Alright, so it seems like all of the cables are connected here. Let's press this guy all the way in there. Let's close this thing down. Seems like everything is being holding just fine. I'm really surprised. I'm extremely surprised that everything is so smooth. Hopefully everything's gonna power up and work. Alright, so here, close this guy down there. And we're gonna have like that. And like that, like that. And like that. Good job. I just want to make sure that those cables are not rubbing onto the bottom cover. Now we got a few more screws. Let's see whether it's staying right there. Okay, so we got 4 screws going on for here. Okay, so we need to secure the hard drive. Okay. Those screws are going for the top. There should be another one going on right here, right there, and supposedly 2 right there, but there is a hot glue there everywhere. Let's see if we can. Okay. Let's see if we can just drop this guy right here, the bottom cover. And I mean, it's probably not going to penetrate the hot glue right on this side. Doesn't want to go in because there is too much hot glue. Let's see. Oh no, it's because that plastic is cracked right there. Right here. Alright, you're probably not gonna have this issue, so probably just gonna keep rolling. Oh shit, yeah. Yeah, basically the plastic on the bottom here is cracked as well. And because there is hot glue on the top already, I can't really do much to drop this guy at this point. Maybe remove here some of this, but no. All right. Basically, lots of hot gluing, and hopefully you got the point how we solved big problems here. Let's try it. Okay. And let's see. Let me bring the camera this way a little bit. All right. And let's see if you got a few more. One right there. One right there. Let's see if we can get this guy in there. Oh wow, we could get this guy in there. Wow. Unbelievable. Good job. Let's see if we can get this guy in there. Okay, good job. Because it went through the hot glue in there. I'm not sure if this thing is even safe to be used right here. You see how, well, I would just remove it, but I mean, there's so much plastic has been removed already. Okay. And we got a few more screws missing connection, but they probably weren't even there when I received it. Let's see if we can just get right there, and we got one more screw right there, which I'm gonna find in a second in my nice screw bin there. So you see how we replaced the laptop power jack connector circuit input port on this Lenovo laptop computer. So yeah, you have exactly the same laptop power jack that can be broken, pushed in, or whatever the problem is. You could send it away. We could replace it. I just hope that everything's gonna work after the job is done. And the problem is I don't have a power supply that's 8.9 amps. That's 850 watts or so. Oh, but it's much. Wow, this is This is gonna last forever, guys. Yeah. This seems like it's gonna last forever. Maybe I should even hot glue this outer shell to that inner shell. Wow, unbelievable. Yeah, let me find something similar that I would be able to use for this laptop. All right, I found something that looks like a brick. You can build houses from those bricks. Let's see if we get the voltage. Yeah, we do get the voltage. Let's plug it in right there, like that. We don't get any lights. Oh well, the battery is out. The battery is right here. Wow, we got Lenovo on the screen. Yeah. A Lenovo Ideapad Y510p. Lenovo Ideapad Y510p. Don't buy this kind of laptop. I never seen cheaper plastic in my life. And I mean, this is not a laptop. This is not a laptop. I would break my back carrying a laptop like that around to the airport, to wherever. I mean, I'm not sure why people buy this stuff. Anyways, I will check it out, make sure it all works. Thank you so much for watching. Please leave a like, subscribe. I will let you know the best laptops to buy in the future. Thank you. Bye.